Alright, once again, this is Silicus, where I'm going over a GTX 480, how to install a xspc 480 full coverage water block. As you can see, I've already removed the screws. Something interesting about 480s is, and any other graphics card, is sometimes getting the screws out. It's ridiculous. So much so that I had to actually drill out the screws with a drill. For those who are curious, if you ever have to do that, I used a 5x64 bit screwdriver, or not screwdriver, drill bit, and removed them. Generally, you can get it out with just with a electronic screwdriver, and it pops right off. There are screws here, here. There's another one right here that will need to be removed. Here, 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 here. There's tons of them. Another one there, another one there, another one holding the bracket on together there, which can be removed. Finally, there are two in the front. Don't forget about these, because when you try to pop this thing off, you can actually pop the top part off, and it'll come off in one piece. Back it up a little bit so you can see it. It comes right off. This giant hunk of metal comes off. It's covered in thermal paste. And then finally, you have this part. Now I still have one last screw to take out in the very end, right here. It's stubborn. I already tried getting it undone earlier, so I'm going to simply have to remove it like this. Check to see, make sure that you're getting a hole in it. As you can see, I'm starting to make a little mark through it. So let's line it up one more time. What we're trying to do is push it through. Looking for my needle nose pliers. See if we can pop it off. Not quite loose enough, so let's drill a little bit more. It appears that we've made it through the actual screw. what we'll do, and pop it off. This should allow us to take this thing off. And here we have a completed removal of GTX 480. One thing I would say that's very important to do is to clean it off. If you end up doing what I had to do and basically drilling through the screws, make sure you don't slip and cut into the board itself. So go slow. You don't want anything like that. And then make sure you clean it. If you have any compressed air or an air compressor machine, make sure that you blow off all those metal shavings so that way you don't get them trapped and short circuit anything, or much less contaminate any space that you're going to be filling with thermal paste and thermal glue. The next step will be cleaning, and then we'll put the block on itself.